Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Purnima Tapse, owner of Melody Marvels Group A. I am a singer by profession and an anchor host for today's special event. I am honored and blessed to host this event here on Saptami in these Navratri days. I thank Shankarda and all the SST team to invite me here for hosting this cultural event. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupen Sanstita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. हे नारायणी, तुम सब प्रकार का मंगल प्रदान करने वाली मंगलमयी हो, कल्याणदायिनी शिव हो, सब पुरुषार्थियों को धर्म, अर्थ, काम, मोक्ष को सिद्ध करने वाली हो, शरणागत वत्सला, तीन नेत्रों वाली एवं गौरी हो, तेज दिव्य ज्योति ऊर्जा रूप में विद्यमान है, उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बार बार नमस्कार। जो देवी सभी प्राणियों में तेज दीप ज्योति ऊर्जा रूप में विद्यमान है, उनको नमस्कार। A very warm welcome to all on this special and auspicious day of Mahasaptami in Navratri. Today we have all gathered here to celebrate Durga Puja, which is a festival of joy and happiness. It is dedicated to the goddess Durga, who symbolizes strength and power. In West Bengal, it is the biggest festival and a great social event in the state. Devotees keep fast for 9 days of Navratri to seek the blessings of Goddess Durga and to save them from evil. The whole city looks beautiful with lighting and decoration during the celebration. Worshipping Goddess Durga during the Navratri helps to fight against the evil spirits and negative vibes. During the celebration of the festivals in these 9 days, people filled with spirituality and celebrate the occasion with brotherhood. Durga Puja is a festival of spirituality, devotion and happiness, and a way to respect the woman of our society. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता। अगर हम नारी शक्ति की बात करें तो आज की नारी हर एक क्षेत्र में सफल है। नारी घर की नींव है जिससे घर बनता है। नारी केवल अबला नहीं, वह दुर्गा, चंडी और शक्ति का रूप है। नारी शिक्षा और आत्मनिर्भरता के बिना समाज अधूरा है। जहाँ नारी का सम्मान होता है, वहीं देवता निवास करते हैं। आज की नारी अपने वजूद को पहचानकर हर रूप में शक्ति का प्रतीक बन गई है। भारत में नारी शक्ति वंदन अधिनियम जैसे प्रयास महिलाओं को राजनीति में एक नई पहचान देते हैं। If we talk about women empowerment here, women have given equal rights, opportunities and power in society, enabling them to make their own choices, access resources and control their own lives, which is vital for building strong families, progressive communities and a better nation overall. An educated and empowered woman educates a generation, fostering a better future for families and communities. Women empowerment is essential for the nation's economic and social advancement, as they are a significant part of the workforce and community. It is about ensuring women have the fundamental human right to equality and respect in all spheres of life. Let's talk about Sanskritik Sangh Dhanori. Sanskriti Sangh Dhanori is a community trust and organization in Dhanori, Pune that aims to foster inclusivity, mutual support and cultural celebration within the Bengali community and beyond. We organize cultural events such as Mahalaya, Prabhat Feri and Dandiya and Garba and have also hosted women empowerment events. This organization is dedicated to bringing hope, positivity and a sense of unity to the Bengali community in Dhanori, Pune. Now, can I request Shankar Da, President of SST Cultural Association, Dhanori, Pune, to please come and have a few words to all. Mr. Shankar Da.
Thank you so much. So, just a quick background of this Sanskriti Sangha Dhanori. In the year of 2023, we started to think about Durga Puja in Pune, Dhanori specifically. आप लोग सब जानते हो कि एक पहले कमल पार्क में पूजा होते थे. Then we moved to Tirupati Garden, which is in Tingranagar, lane number 2. Then people are demanding from Dhanori, Vishnuwadi, Parwal roads कि हमें यहाँ पे पूजा कर सकते हैं क्या? So with this very small concept, हमने सोचा कि हम एक try करते हैं कि कैसा होते है पूजा, कैसे कर सकते हैं. It was a very small level में हमने सोचा था पहले. पता भी नहीं था कि होगा कि नहीं, कैसे करेंगे, because Durga Puja is not easy for 5 days to एक पूजा end to end करना. It's very difficult. The first challenge is the fund. Second challenge is the permissions मिलना, कैसे करेंगे.